When working or playing on your computer, you will be using an application or an app. But what is an application? Applications are simply software programs on our computers that help us get things done. For instance, if you need to perform some quick calculations, you can use the calculator. Or if you want to draw something, you can do so in Paint. Although there are a variety of different apps, learning how to use them can be easy once you realize that most apps share common features. Let me show you. Let's open Paint. Notice there's an area at the top of the app called a ribbon. In the ribbon, there are tabs like File, Home, and View that will enable you to perform common functions within the app. Within the Home tab, you will be able to find Cut, Copy, and Paste, as well as how to change the size and color of text. In View, you will be able to zoom in and out, as well as turn on and off rulers. Now, let's open Word. Notice that ribbon at the top? There, we can also find those same tabs and buttons. In Home, we can cut, copy, and paste, as well as change the size and color of text. In View, we can zoom in or out, as well as turn on and off rulers. If you are new to using these apps, always remember the ribbon at the top of the app is where you will usually find most of the functions you will need to use the app effectively. The ribbon and menu system might look slightly different in different apps, or if you're using an operating system other than Windows 10, but you'll still find similarities that can help you learn to use the app. Also, something very convenient about modern operating systems like Windows 10 is you can have multiple apps open simultaneously. This is very helpful if you are working within several apps at once and need to go between these apps easily, or if you're like me and just don't like to close applications when you're done using them. Once you become familiar with the different apps on your computer and what you can accomplish when using them, there is no limit to what you can do.